So till now we have already only considered a single fin, but what if we have an array of fins, which means we have a surface on a body which has n number of fins. Earlier we were only deriving expressions which are related to single fin, which means the heat transfer from a single fin and efficiency, effectiveness from a single fin. But now we'll obviously in real body or real cases we'll have n number of fins to cool down our body faster. So let's consider the case of array of fins. So we'll first in this video derive the expression for the heat transfer which will occur from the array of fins, from multiple fins. So the total heat transfer from the fin, from the body, will be from the heat transfer which is the open area, which is this, and the area which is covered from the fin. So this area which is the fin. So now let's use this expression of efficiency of fin, which is given by q dot fin upon q dot fin max. So we'll use this expression to use or to substitute the q dot fin. So we'll obviously find out, or we'll obviously know what is the efficiency of a single fin. Now let's find the q dot fin, so which is from this expression of the efficiency. I have just taken and used the fin efficiency formula and find out the expression for q fin, which is for one fin. Now the total will be, the n will be multiplied. So this is the total expression which I am now writing over here. The total will include the q dot unfin area, which means this part, and q dot fin area, which means this part. So the total fin will have the n multiplied to it. So that is the n number of fins into efficiency into convectivity into area of single fin, Tb minus T infinite, plus the unfin part, the area, the convectivity area of the unfin part into the temperature difference. Okay, now let's just simplify those things. So q dot total will be, H is a common area, Tb minus T infinite is common, and whatever remains is taken into another factor. Okay, now the area total, let's define that, will be equal to AT. I'm writing the subscript T for total area. We'll have area of unfin plus n times the area of single fin. That means this area, this n into a fin means the total area which is added because of the fin. Now the a fin is equal to a subscript f. That subscript f is for fin. That is to simplify those things. So a unfin will be equal to area total, that is the total area, minus n into a f. Okay. Now using this I'll substitute in the total. So q dot fin total for an array, q dot total for a fin array will be h into Tb minus T infinite. A unfin will be what I have substituted over here from the previous expression plus whatever it was earlier. So n efficiency into area into n. Okay. Now we can simplify this. So the total fin heat transfer will be H AT. AT has been taken common from this. Tb minus T infinite is as it is. 1 minus things are coming from this factor. So this will be, because AT has been taken common, this AT comes in the denominator, and over here also AT comes in the denominator. Again, so this is a bit more simplified expression where I am giving total heat transfer from a array of fin, where all the things are defined. H is the convectivity of the fluid which is going to cool. 8 is the total area. 1, we already know 1 is 1. N is the number of fins. AF is the area of single fin. AT is the total area. Eta fin is the efficiency of the fin of a single fin. Tb is the base temperature of the solid or the surface, and T infinite is the temperature of that fluid, upstream temperature of the fluid which is going to cool. So this is the heat transfer. In the next video we'll quickly look at the overall efficiency and overall effectiveness of a fin array. Okay, thank you.